Okay guys, today we're going to look at types of diseases. So, trying something a little different today, we're going to try a screencast instead of a video where you're watching me with some slides. I'm just going to go through a screencast of a presentation about to introduce the different types of diseases. Okay, so first we got to figure out what a disease is. Okay, it does not allow the body to function normally. Okay, we have a norm where our body functions. Anything that disrupts that is a disease. It can infect individual organs or an entire body system. Okay, and it's divided into two groups: infectious and non-infectious. Okay, in the beginning, we're going to talk about infectious diseases, and then towards the end of the unit, we'll talk about non-infectious diseases. But what I want you to focus on is that a disease basically is just something that doesn't allow the body to function normally. Okay. Okay. So an infectious disease is a disease that is caused by the presence of a pathogen. In a second, we'll go over what a pathogen is. But these infectious diseases are caused by pathogens, and pathogens have somehow gotten into an organism and caused harm. Okay, there's four kinds of pathogens. Okay, bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protists. Okay, so bacteria. An example of bacteria would be something like E. coli. An example of virus could be something just like the flu. An example of fungi could be something like ringworm. These are all different diseases. An example of a disease caused by a protist would be malaria. Okay, and this is what you need to know about pathogens. Pathogens are disease causing agents. Okay, pathogens cause disease, cause infectious diseases. Okay, some common ways that diseases can be spread is through people. Okay, handshake, sneezing, coughing, contaminated objects. Okay, there could be bacteria in your food, or something may have not been cleaned well. Through animals. Okay, malaria is spread by mosquitoes. You guys know about how rabies can be spread by animals like raccoons, bats, dogs. Okay, there's other diseases that can be carried by animals and spread by animals. Okay, and the environment. Contaminated water, soil can also spread diseases. Okay, but to go back, what you mainly need to remember is what a disease is and how they're caused by pathogens. So disease affect your body. It can affect individual organs, it can affect whole body systems. And infectious diseases are caused by pathogens. Okay, those are disease causing agents. Okay, we'll go into in more detail the four different types of pathogens. Again, those were viruses, bacteria, protists, and fungi. We'll go into each of those in more detail with the next few flip videos. But please complete your whisk, rewatch this if you need to, remember to summarize, and ask a question.